What's up, guys? So again, I ordered something from eBay, and what I ordered was something very simple, but I thought I would just do an unboxing for the internet or for the Honda guys in case they want to see what this unit looks like, which is the clock for the Integra Type R. This is the amber colorway. So yeah, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, and then later on I'm gonna do an installation video. So if you guys like, stay tuned for that as well. Should be uploading that soon as well. But let's go ahead and open this. Let's see there. So this guy got a bunch of, was nice enough and gave me a bunch of coupons to market. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the box. I mean, there's nothing crazy on it. Let me just flip this LCD so I can see what's going on. But yeah, you just threw it on in a Ziploc bag. Let's open this real quick. Let's take this guy out. Let's actually get all this out of the way. And there it is. It's just a simple unit. It's the clock unit. So this just tells you the time, but it's an amber. So the reason why I went ahead and bought this, it's because if you guys haven't subscribed or haven't seen my previous videos, I turned all my lights inside my car. My gauges and everything are red. So this is gonna match that better than the old LS clock, which is white. But look, he was even nice enough to give me the pigtail for the clock for it to work as well. But I'm gonna just use the one that's on my car, so it's gonna be extra. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. So yeah, this is the video of this. This is how it looks. We got, let me see, let me try and focus. We got the lid here. We got the time and all that. We got the side brackets that allow this to stay in the dash. Got another one right here. Pigtails right there. And yeah, guys, very simple. So yeah, stay tuned for the video that's gonna come up for the installation of this. And appreciate your views, guys. Appreciate it. So have a nice day. See you.